Hello world, hello everyone, good day, good morning, wherever you're watching, all over the world. Walking exercise right now after 1 week from my husband in the hospital. Walking exercise, need some exercise, and it's a beautiful day. Walking exercise to strengthen the knees, the bodies, and it's a beautiful day today. Here in Texas, blue sky, and please subscribe everyone if you have not subscribed. Thank you for watching. Now I am cutting his hair after walking. I've been doing this, cutting his hair for 30 years. I save a lot of money for cutting his hair. He don't need to go to the barber shop to cut his hair. I do it maybe once a month, or depends, 1.5 months, then cut his hair. And I don't have a good scissor, but it works. It works sometimes. So cutting hairs for 30 plus years. So we save a lot of money from the barber shop. No need to go. I do it sweeping the hairs. It's on the porch. Please subscribe everyone, and I hope you have a blessed day everyone. Thank you for watching. We will see you again the next razor taken out there. And this is after the haircut. Nice haircut. Thank you for watching.
Front, side, front.
Now we are going to see the doctor. Can't take video there, but have a blessed day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye-bye. God bless.
Dr. Chica.